Good morning, guys, or good afternoon. Today we're going to start with math review, and this is going to be the last activity we're going to do on math, okay? So get ready. Let's start with unlocking the problem. So follow the reading. Javier begins working on his oceans project at 1:30 p.m. He spends 42 minutes painting a model of Earth and labeling the oceans. At what time does Javier finish working on his project? So in here they give us the time it starts and the elapsed time. So we need to know the finish time. How do you think we are going to find the finish time? There are different ways we can do it. Today I will show you two ways, using a number line and using an analog clock. So now that we will finish our timeline, we have the jumps end at 2:12 p.m. So that means that Javier finished working on his project at 2:12 p.m. Easy, right, guys? So now use another way. We're going to use a clock to find the end time. This is going to be a lot more easier. Step 1, we're going to find the starting time on the clock. So here we have the clock and the starting time. That is 1:30. The clock is representing 1:30. So we're going to count by 5 from the minutes to get to 42 minutes. Let's start counting. So we have 5 plus another 5, we have 10 plus another 5, we have 15 plus another 5, we have 20 plus another 5, we have, that's right, 25 plus another 5, and we have 30, that's right, plus another 5, and we will have 35. Good job. Do we continue or do we stop? That's right, we have to continue because we're getting to 42 minutes. So let's continue. Plus 5 and we get to 40. Now we're going to stop to counting by 5 because we got to 40. And if we add 5, it will be 45. And we just need 42. So we're going to add 2 more to get to 42. And the hour in here shows me that the time will be 2:42 p.m. That's right. So good job, guys. Sorry, it is 2:12. Good job, guys. Now we did it with the end time, but now we're going to find the starting time. So let's read this little problem. Whitney went swimming in the ocean for 25 minutes. She finished swimming at 11:15 a.m. At what time did Whitney start swimming? So in the last problem, they give us the starting time and we have to look for the end time. In this problem, they are asking us to find the start time. So let's do it. We're going to use the same two ways, number line and analog clock. So the first way is the number line. So the first step is to find the time on the number line in which Whitney finished. We put it at the end because of the step 2 that we're going to count back on our number line because we have the end time and we're going to look for the starting time. So we're going to count back on the number line to subtract the elapsed time. We're going to draw and label the jumps as always. And of course, we're going to write the times below each number line. So from 11:15, the hour before is 10. So minus, we're going to subtract because we're going back. So minus 15 and we get to 11 p.m. Okay, and we subtract another 5 minutes and we get to 10:55. So now we have 20 minutes. How much are we missing of our time lapse? That's right, we're missing another 5 minutes. So we get to 10:50. Okay, so now we have our start. The jump went back to 10:50 a.m. So Whitney started swimming at 10:50. Good job. So now we're going to do it using an analog clock. So now we're going to use an analog clock to find the starting time. So as always, the first step is to find the ending time on our clock. So here we have 11:15. So we're going to count by 5 backwards until we get to 25 minutes. So 5, then another 5 will be 10, another 5 and it will be 15, another 5 and it will be 20, and another 5 and it will be 25. So we get to the starting time, it will be 10:50 a.m. Good. So now that we review math, that we know how to use time intervals, we're going to play. You're going to go to quizzes. In there, it is a quiz that you have to do. Okay, good luck, and that's it for today.